This is a quick introduction to the Sentencing Guidelines app used in magistrates and courts. The application includes the Magistrates Court Sentencing Guidelines, which can be used to search for offences. We can search by A to Z, by offence page, offence grouping, and by Act of Parliament. This includes the explanatory materials, definitive guidelines for Magistrates Court and for Crown Court, all of the court bench books, including Family, Youth, Crown and Companion to Crown, all of the pronouncement cards, including Family, Youth, Adult Welsh, Adult Youth. We include an area where a justice can include their own archive of judicial material, and that can be grouped into useful sections within the app. And these documents have been added by using the iTunes application. We have a list of courts in the United Kingdom, and we have an option to include favourites for offences within the app. Judicial updates are supported by the purchase of an annual subscription. This annual subscription also enables additional tools and utilities that can be added into the application. So having restored a subscription, we have additional content within the application, including a pronouncements builder for building together a set of pronouncements for announcing in court. We have optional criminal procedure rules, Police and Criminal Evidence Act, CPS legal guidance, Highway Code, and we now have enabled at the bottom of the application an additional set of tools and utilities, including a fine calculator. We could do a fine band C based on £400 per week. We could take costs, we could aggravate a particular offence, and we have the fine disposal displayed there. We have a speeding grid, which allows us to check what the national guideline is for points and band fine. An alcohol grid, drink drive rehabilitation courts dates, which does all the dates for successful completion of a driver disqualification course. We have overweight vehicles calculator, checklist and other utilities for the justice. We also offer a quick adjournment and community order set of dates, and the key part of the app is using the favourite star to generate a list of offences that we're viewing in this particular court session. So having made a selection of favourites, these can be used to quickly switch between different offences as we process these in court. And favourites are available from that top icon, and we can also add notes into the application for this particular offence. That's a quick introduction to the Sentencing Guidelines application.